This is my DIY monitor stand. Hashtag IKEA hacks. I am going to show how to make it and what you will need. Welcome to Technium's channel, my name is Miguel. I know it looks flimsy, but I assure you that it's quite sturdy. As I said, hashtag IKEA hacks. We will need a Dils leg only for its base plate, an Olof leg so that we can extend it, the monitor wall mount with tilt function, 2 C-clamps with more or less 5 cm 2 inches, and some non-slip furniture pads. Please bear in mind that if you use my affiliate link for the monitor wall mount, consider using the cheaper one, since it had 2 holes and you won't be needing the Dils leg for its base plate. I start by marking where to drill in the Olof leg using the base plate. Again, you can use the eBase ones for marking where to drill. Drilling. Now screwing the plate in. Note that you may need to find suitable screws for this. As you can see, the base plate is ideal for my monitor wall mount, since all holes match perfectly for the quick release system it has. Putting the non-slip pads in the base that I already have screwed in and in the C-clamps. It's done. The monitor arm I mean. Now just take off the monitor stand, screw in the VESA wall mount. Putting the monitor arm in place, you may need someone to hold everything in place as you clamp the C-clamps. In your case you are done if you use the monitor wall mount from eBay. But I still have to hook the monitor with this wall mount release plate. And now it's all done. It looks great after some leg height adjustment. Regarding the Olof leg, I found out that the US and other countries it costs $15 and euros, but here in Portugal it's just €550. So in total will be around $25 euros, whatever. Hope you enjoyed, give it a like and subscribe for more DIY and not so technical videos. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.